Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanira. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm just going to be cleaning my room. I love watching videos of cleaning, organizing, doing all that, so I figured why not put that on my channel. My room really wasn't that messy, it was just that I had a ton of laundry that I definitely neglected to do, so that was really the main part of it, and then just tidying up here or there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm trying not to do too much talking because I like to just lay back and watch people do it. So here you go. I feel like the lighting looks crazy, but we're just gonna work with it. This clip's not gonna be too long anyways. But update, you guys see me vacuum. I did my laundry, not all of it yet. I changed my sheets, waiting on my comfort to dry. And I just have to fold my clothes, and that'll be pretty much it for this video. So let's wrap her up on a good note. See you guys later. Okay, and then this is the final product. Again, like I said to begin with, it wasn't really that messy. I just need to do a bunch of laundry, and I still had a lot more laundry to do left over. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting like an organizer for behind my door to just make it more tidy and neat. But overall, I'm happy with the product, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.